shirt?
It's over there.
This one has the name on it.
Oh, that little logo. That will melt.
How is Church's food?
I hate
There's a
it.
Popeyes on the street.
That's better.
How, as in like how far? Like past the Burger King?
No,
Before?
it's down that.
Straight up.
It's right down this way.
I don't know. Is it like walking distance?
Yes.
Yeah.
Just walk straight down. You this way and then this way. Just go straight.
I don't think about it. I never actually had Popeyes before. I just might do that.
See.
Popeyes is better.
Yeah, there are some greasy ass biscuits.
Are you recording this?
Yes, I'm recording this. This is also a good way to burn a shirt you do not like.
For pictures.
Yeah, it kind of gets high.
Yeah, it gets really hot.
Yes, I feel safe.
This is cute.
There ain't got sprinklers out here, dude. Alright, I'm gonna mess around. This shit is getting hot.
Your shoes are getting hot.
No, this shit is getting hot. It's
Oh.
hot.
We are making s'mores, people.
You didn't get the rest of the marshmallows.
Knuckles home.
That's your brother's son?
Cousin.
Hey, grab it. That's nuts.
Wait, Abby. They flew on me.
That is one fire.
Why is it so loud, yo?
Because it's his.
What do you call it?
Someone go get some water so we can throw on this.
Abby.
See that fire? It looks pretty big.
That's why we need
We
water.
need water because the box is on fire now.
Abby.
I'm just gonna take a picture of this.
Hold up.
What you gonna do? Put it on Instagram? Of course.
No, it's really
Is that, that's not English, is it?
No.
Okay, I'm like,
If that was English, that would be something new.
okay. Here's your water.
Wait.
Give me the water.
Nice, Abby.
what is that gonna do?
We should kind of.
I need more water. Abby, really?
Yeah, that one corner. Blow it out. It's just that one corner. Yeah. Close the door. Close the door.
Hope you like
Really?
this.
Right. What are we having?
Close the door, Abby. We don't want the smoke coming in the house.